today let's make simple and tasty egg chili recipe. The recipe is very simple yet flavorful. Just take a pan or a kadai of your choice, and once it's heated, add in some oil. Once the oil has heated, add in some chopped ginger and garlic. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. If you want the egg chili to be more spicy, add in the chopped chilies as well. Please note we don't need to brown all the veggies. It just needs to be crispy and crunchy. So once the ginger and garlic chopped is added, add in the sliced onions and capsicum. You can add the capsicum of your choice. If you have green, yellow, orange or red, add it as per your choice. Now I'm adding in some schezwan sauce, which is homemade. If you want the recipe, please do comment below. I'm happy to share that as well. Once the schezwan sauce is added, add in some tomato ketchup and then add in some soy sauce as well. Please note, keep this in high flame because as I said, this needs to be crunchy and not to be soggy. Add in the sauces one by one and give it a good toss, just so that the sauce is mixed and the veggies are coated really very well with all these sauces and the veggies are crispy and crunchy. Once you have tossed the veggies with the sauces, add in some very simple spices like the basic spices, which is salt, pepper powder, and you can add in some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, add in very a pinch of it, the reason being just so that the smell of the egg doesn't remain and for a tinge of color as well. So just you need salt, turmeric powder and pepper powder, and then add in the sliced hard boiled eggs you need. Once you add the eggs, don't use the spoon, just toss it like that, otherwise the egg tends to break. So give it a good toss so that the egg is covered with all the tasty, spicy, tangy sauces, and then you can garnish it with some coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please note the ingredients are in the comment below.